Hey, what's going on, team? Quick little update on my TQQQ position. One was it on Wednesday. We had a $4,000 day yesterday, and I locked in profits right away on Wednesday. The market sold off. I think I was down. I made a video about it. I was down $400. I really didn't care. I had a very small position size. People always ask, well, when do you know when to buy? Simple. When the direction's in my favor, when it's indicating signs of growth. And as of right now, TQQQ is indicating signs of growth. I'm up over $1,700 on the day. I wanted to show you. My buy orders. I did not buy at the best price point. I didn't buy at the lowest price point. I have actually my new baby girl right down here, and she kept me up all night, right? So I slept through market open. By the time I woke up, TQQQ was already indicating signs of an uptrend. So guess what? I began to jump onto this, and you can see that my buy orders were not the best. They were not at the lowest price point, but I made sense of the opportunity that presented itself, and now it's looking bullish still. But one of the things that we need to remind ourselves is that, again, I don't want to sound like a broken record, but it's true. The market has been bearish for the past 4 weeks, almost 5 weeks. It's been selling off. So because of that, its true direction right now is bearish. So if I'm up on the day, I'm probably not going to want to hesitate to lock in profits. So I wanted to show you. It's not that I don't think TQQQ can continue to indicate signs of an uptrend. I know it can. It has a lot of upside margin, but there's a difference from entering from a day trade and those principles and entering for a swing trade and then those principles and criterias. So I wanted to show you guys firsthand and encourage you to stick to your plan. If you intend to swing trade it and you have a small position size right now and you plan to average up, great. I'm right there with you. If you're choosing to day trade it like myself today, we need to understand that the overall direction is not in our favor just yet. Again, we have so much margin to work with, right? From where we're at right now, if TQQQ makes a full recovery, that's 67% margin. That's insane. Absolutely insane. I don't have to, buy in super early with my full position and then cross my fingers and hope that it continues to uptrend. No, I can day trade it when it's bullish. And then when it begins to actually make higher highs on the larger time frames, then I can choose to swing trade it. I can choose to be selective. And that's the thing that I want to remind you. I'm using TQQ as my example. I don't know what you're invested in. You might be invested in Tesla. Tesla dropped to lows of $800 today. It made for a good day trade. Big difference from swing trading Tesla to day trading Tesla today, right? Why? Well, Tesla's been bearish, right, for the past couple of days, past couple of weeks. These are all the stocks that I'm paying attention to. LSI, AMD, Costco, Starbucks, SoFi, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and then of course, TQQQ. Trust me, I would love to swing trade all of these stocks, but I need to make sure that I swing trade them when they make sense, when the direction's in my favor, not just because I can or because I want to. That's not an actual reason, right? So again, it's the simple steps that we take today and how we prepare that will make a big difference in the future. I truly do believe the market will recover. It will be very rewarding, but it's not just about that certainty. It's about making sure that the dollar amount that you have invested now, if the market does get worse, as it can, let's openly talk about it, that you don't become super irrational and super emotional because you're so heavily invested right now, right? It's much easier said than done when the market recovers. Oh my God, I did such a good thing. I bought the dip and I bought with a lot of money. Yeah, but that's looking back. Think about it. Every time that there's ever been a recession, it was viewed as an opportunity. But every time that you're in a market crash or in a recession, it's viewed as risky. It's all perspective, right? So make sure that the steps that, again, you take today are something that benefit your future self. So I'm going to begin to lock in profits here at these overbought levels. I'm going to continue to update you guys on Discord. So if you guys want to join my free trading Discord, that's that first link down below. Also, don't forget, I trade live every single morning at Market Open with our Learn, Play, and Profit group, and they're the only group that I work with on a exclusive and closer basis. And again, that's that second link down below. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, that's that third link down below. But I'm super excited to follow up with TQQQ, with the overall market. But I just want to remind you that it's still super early to get very confident. The market's been selling off for 4 to 5 weeks. One day of a green day does not mean confirmation of a reversal. Understand the difference. Appreciate your guys' time. Hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a great note. Take it easy, team.